In today's video, I'm going to teach you to sort by date in Google Sheets. Sorting dates correctly helps you analyze timelines, track progress, and keep your data easy to read. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, explain what each option means, and cover a couple of tips so your sort works the first time. Start by selecting the column that contains your dates. Click the letter at the top of the column to highlight it. If your dates are part of a larger table and you want the entire rows to move together, click and drag to select all the columns you want to keep aligned, making sure the date column is included in that selection. This ensures you don't separate related information when the dates move. Next, go to the top menu and choose Data. From the drop-down, click Sort Range. This command sorts only what you selected, which is exactly what you want when you need the date column to drive the order without affecting unrelated areas on the sheet. You'll see an option that says Sort Range by Column X with two choices, A to Z or Z to A. X will be the letter of the column you selected. For dates, A to Z means oldest to newest, so earlier dates will appear at the top and later ones at the bottom. Z to A flips that order, placing the most recent dates first. Pick the one that matches how you want to view your timeline. Before you finalize, make sure your dates are recognized as actual dates by Google Sheets. If they're stored as text, sorting may not behave correctly. To confirm, with your dates selected, go to Format, then Number, and choose Date. If your entries switch to a consistent date style, you're good. The display format can vary by locale, but as long as the cells are set to date, the sort will respect the true chronological order behind the scenes. If the results look off, it's usually because a few cells were typed differently or formatted as plain text. Reapplying format, number, date to those cells typically fixes it. Also, remember that the A to Z and Z to A options are specifically tuned for dates and will give you chronological control once the format is correct. That's all you need. Select your date column or range, go to Data, choose Sort Range, pick A to Z for oldest to newest or Z to A for newest to oldest, and verify the cells are set to date. With those steps, your Google Sheet will be neatly ordered by time and ready for analysis.